Okay, that's 40 minutes for our perfect pot. Now we're back with our perfect pot of brown rice. Let's check it out. It's been 40 minutes since we started our pot of rice, our brown rice. Taking my lid off, plate, because I don't have a lid. Okay, you sit there using your pot holder. I'll tell you about that later. And let's see. It's been cooking for, I want to say, about 45 minutes. Making dinner. That's the thing, I like cooking in non-stick pans because you can, got a little leeway. Nothing really sticks. Okay, I have I guess this is a spaghetti fork or just a fork. Really big serving fork. And I'm fluffing up the rice. There's virtually no water left, but the rice is not dry, but it's not sticky. And remember, I used 2 1/4 cups of water. I think I usually use 2 1/2 cups of water, but it's however you feel. You know, start off with 2 1/4 cups. Taste it and see if it's kind of moist, you know, how you like it. Well, right now I'm just fluffing up our perfect pot of brown rice. So what did we do? We took a medium saucepan with 2 1/4 cups of water and put that in the pot. Then we brought that pot of water to a boil. Then we added salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. We brought that to a boil. Then we added our 1 cup of brown rice, and we brought that to a boil. And then we let that boil for a minute. Then we stirred once or twice around the pan. You know, stirred once or twice around the pan. Then we put our lid on it. We set our timer for 40 minutes, and we didn't touch it. We didn't peek in it. We didn't move the lid. We didn't budge it. Also, too, when you're cooking on the stove and you have kids at home, you want to move the handle back away from the front of the stove so that it won't drop on. But this is our perfect pot of brown rice. I fluffed it. It looks good to me. And that's it. You could do the same thing, but for white rice. But I'm gonna taste it because you know when you're cooking, you want to taste it. But when you're cooking white rice, the only thing is you reduce the time to 20 minutes instead of 40. Brown rice takes longer because I think they have the outer shell coating on the rice, and therefore it takes longer to penetrate and absorb the water and come soft. But this is my perfect pot of rice. Okay. That's the fork. See, that's the fork that I use. It's a big serving fork. And I'm going to taste my rice, and I'll let you know how it tastes. It's good. Not too salty or anything. Oh, you're not supposed to put it back in there, but it's good. I didn't put my mouth fully on the pork anyway, but it's not too saucy or anything like that. It's a good, nice size pot of rice, and that's for dinner tonight. Also, check out my video on what's for dinner tonight. Thanks for watching, and you can tell me, you know, how you made your perfect pot of brown rice and how you made your perfect pot of white rice. Let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.